lift it higher. But Babylon and the wicked desire. I listen and see the king of fire. Ooh yeah. Lift it higher. Push up the lighter, we lift it higher. But Babylon and the wicked desire. I listen and see the king of fire. Out of red fire, we are bound to fire. Push up the lighter, we lift it higher. One Babylon and the wicked desire. I listen and see the king of fire. Out of
Rap, yeah, nicht wegen jedem Scheiß gleich jammern, mein Herz hat 36, kann man kommen ins Licht. Was zu tun, habt die Pflicht, nicht nur zuzusehen. Ich will mit voller Zuversicht in die Zukunft gehen. Wir reden von Love and Peace, doch wir rüsten auf. Waffen runter, Hände hoch, holt die Brüste raus. Waffen runter, Hände hoch, holt die Brüste raus. Waffen runter, Hände hoch, holt die Brüste raus.
Rapping deep, rapping fast, rapping is a music art. From the start, from the hills and from the universe. The final verse is the me and seeing it the rhyme. The sunshine, reggae in the eyes will see the sign. The dream is real, you can see it, you can feel it, you can taste it, but you cannot down to feel it. But even the time, it's less real and spit the rhyme. The camera is dying and so is request 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the final hour. This is when I sing my song in the shower, alone or with a tiny girl at one. You cannot see me, you cannot just only breathe me. This is Lucille, this is from the see me.
So we're there, so you see me? Live in Germany, you see me? Backyard Festival, you see it? Go on all the vibes, DJ Blue from the Team Blue Entertainment family, you see me? I say? Big up on yourself, everybody knows everything good? Yeah man, you know say, the man himself, you know. Major Mackerel like a performing a few, so you don't know where they are do the thing, you see me? Alright, mad move. Yeah, man, check it out.
Finish it because it's a job. No say my voice a pop up and that. But when I still on my best and I can't. I do reggae music, cause in the promotion. When the music in me, me like a potion. I'm not a old slave driver. Time is catching up on me. Old slave driver. I know you think them are on. So let me go on. I bring the gun at you. So I'm gonna fire with the fire, light up Empress and blaze it up higher. Bump my bed and they call them and they vampire. The one you put my them like a tire everywhere.
Yes, me old. Pull it up. Well, I said greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie. Jah Rastafari. Ever living, ever faithful, ever sure. Respect to each and every one, old and young, man and child, mothers and child. All Rastaman in the place, Selassie. All of the Rastaman them were there in the place, make me hear when you say Selassie.
Selassie.
Remember me here when you say Rastafari.
Rastafari.
Well, we have a big up Magic Backyard Festival. Big up Ingo. Happy birthday, Ingo. Seeing, and I hope you live to see many more. May the engine of your generosity never rusty. And I hope your love basket never run empty.